Today we talk about how can you enable podcast live notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. You come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications, you come here to podcast live, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us here, that's main podcast live notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.